Yo, everybody, what's up? Welcome to the land of Soul Vida. Soul is the sun, Vida is life. I am Ashe and I am here to bring the light. Founder and director of Soul Vida Worldwide, coming live and direct from the San Francisco Bay Area. And I wanted to offer you all a few techniques to help you get your feelings out of your body. Because, you know, things be getting stuck. I don't know about you, but I have a lot of feelings and I think you do too. And here's the situation is like, it's so easy for them to get stuck. Do you ever feel like you're just mad and frustrated, or like you might need to do a little whooping? Or maybe you're freaking sad and feeling numb, feeling blah, like just not having inspiration or motivation, or that ability to just like get up and push through. Life is something, and thankfully we have each other and different tools that we can use to help us move through this. So if you're down for learning some techniques to help you get your feelings out of the body, stay tuned. I'm going to go over 3 different techniques tonight. And so before we get into that, I want to talk about why is it even a thing? Like, why are we so stuck in our bodies? What is this? And how do we get it out? And I just want to share a personal story here for a moment. I think about myself and how I got started in this dance and expressive arts world. And it goes back to me being 9 years old, which is over 30 years ago, my friends. We've been doing this for a while. And yeah, if you're here, send me some emojis. You know what I'm saying? Drop some comments, send some love. I appreciate you. So, 9-year-old me, walking around with bad posture. I was dealing with a parent's divorce situation. I was dealing with abandonment from my father. And thank God, that same year that everything got flipped upside down, I discovered dance. Does it not feel like it's moving, okay? And this is a way for us to get energy moving, chi flowing, and just, you know, getting the stagnance be gone. So this is really good too if you are working desk jobs or you're stuck sort of in a position all the time. This is something you can do sitting down if it's helpful. So tappity tap, tap, tappity tap. And just do that until it feels good, okay? So tapping is one technique that you can use to release feelings and energy in your body, okay? Another technique that I want to teach you tonight is shaking, okay? Now, there are many different ways we could get into the shaking business, you know what I'm saying? And we will, don't you worry. So I'm gonna give you like simple and also extreme versions. So shaking is finally like getting popular attention. People are realizing and remembering that we're actually animals. Go figure, we're freaking animals. So in this whole getting the feelings out, it really helps to remember that you're an animal and that you're wild and you're free, and it's probably gonna look funny, it's probably gonna sound funny, and may or may not be beautiful. I think it's gonna be beautiful because it's gonna be truthful, okay? So if you wanna go wild animal shake, you just like, let it happen, just let it happen, just see? Feelings be gone. Feelings be gone. Now, if that was a little cray-cray for you, I'm gonna bring it back a notch and give you one of my favorite theater techniques, okay? It's actually a game I play with a lot of youth when I go and lead. It helps you just get it out, okay? It's also an opportunity for you to practice using your voice and letting sound out, because sound is a part of excavating emotions, so allowing the sounds to come out. I call this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And so take a deep breath. We're gonna shake out one hand. We're gonna count to 10. Do the other hand, count to 10. You're gonna take it down to your foot, count to 10, shake it out. 10, shake it out. Then we're gonna do 5s, 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 5s. Then we're gonna do 4, 4, 4, 4. Then we're gonna do 3, 3, 3, 3. Then 2, 2, 2. And then 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. And then we're back to the animal. But we're working you into it, okay? So let's just give it a go. Deep breathing. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 5s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 1, 1, 1. Woo! Okay. Shaking out these feelings, my friends. So as you can see, doing these things can shift your entire being. So I want you to have these tools. I want you to use them, okay? Because there is no need for you to be holding stuff in this heart stem. You need to let it out, okay? So that's what I wanted to share with you all today, is these 3 techniques for allowing feelings to come out of your body. Now, it's a practice, okay? And you can do most of these almost anywhere. So even if it means like you need to go hide in the bathroom and like have a moment, or take a little walk around the block, you know what I'm saying? In your room by yourself, create the space, demand your space, as a matter of fact, okay? You deserve to have time and ways to release what's going on, because there's a lot of different impacts coming in all the time. There's a lot to process. And so use these tools as a way to return to your highest self, to that self that you are, your creative self, your intuitive self, your amazing self. And so with that, my friends, I just want to say you are amazing. You're so worthy, and we need you, and we need your creations, and we need you to be well. So thank you for tuning in to this little episode in the land of Soul Vida. Soul Vida Worldwide is shifting normalcy, my friends. We're going from systemic oppression, and we're creating radical freedom, okay? What you know about that? Radical freedom is the name of the game. So let us know how we can be of service to you. If you have any questions, leave comments. Please make sure you're following all of our social media channels at Soul Vida Worldwide. And I'm going to leave some links for you to stay even more connected if you want to make sure that you catch the Soul Vida train. We're leading transformative dance and wellness experiences online and across the globe. We've got some exciting things cooking up. So tune in, my friends, to tune in and keep letting these feelings out of your body. Be a wild animal. Be you. Oh, yes. I love you. All much love. Oh, let's get a big Soul Vida! Ashe. See y'all later. Bye.